Welcome back to another episode. Today we have Lexi and I as we transform our back patio into something that is sad and drab with two crazy ass dogs into something that is a nice place to hang out all summer. So we're taking you with us. All right, here's our patio. As you can see, very drab and sad, but it's time to clear it off, clean it, and then move the new stuff in. Let's check it out. Part one, done, according to Lexi. we gotta let it dry. All right, little pit stop here. We gotta go. I got my buddy Garrett here. Hello. We're driving, so we gotta go get a big broom to brush off the patio and fill our propane tank. Yes. And we're taking you with us. So
propane and propane
quick
accessories.
Yeah, quick little stop in between. The depot, going to the depot. This is quite the ordeal.
Oh my. We're all about safety here. They really make this hard as hell.
Yeah. And it's going, I think. Wait. Oh, I can hear it.
Oh wow.
Now it is going. Oh, the number. Oh yeah.
Wow. That's what it's all about right there, folks.
All right, we're back. Lexi's gonna broom. Broom achieved. Propane gotten. All right, we are back and it is time to build the furniture. Let's do it. First box is unloaded. Gonna unload the second box, I guess, but look at this. It's in there like Russian dolls type of stuff. They're all tucked in there. So this was just one box. One box. Box 2 is completely unloaded. Still no instructions. So we just have this collage of pieces here. Yeah, so hopefully it's in one of these next two boxes. And Kilo's being so helpful. So helpful. Opened all 4 boxes here. There's pieces everywhere. We have no hardware or instructions. SOS. We'll find them. We will find them. Yes, at the bottom of the very last box, the instructions and hardware has been secured. Let's go! All right, now it's back to building. After a long, dreaded workout, we have our first thing. Look at it. That little white thing is just a little paper to tell you what it is. But look at that. Now we have like 8 more to build. Hey, go away. You guys are wet.
No, Miles.
You guys just got the...
Back up.
Oh my. They're gonna break before they even get to be chairs. I need to time to adjust. Whoa! Morgan Wallen, hold on, I need water. Look at this. Look at this. Look how far we've come. There's only a few pieces left and then 2 more boxes full. So, but the dogs are wet. We're having a good time. There's the camera and the sun has pretty much gone down here in Arizona. But we're still moving. We're finishing tonight. Looking back on it next time, you should definitely open it out and do like more like 1 box at a time than just throw all the pieces out and then kind of just follow it this way, you know, so you can see all of your pieces and organize them and then go forward, not just like empty the boxes. And there's Lexi. She's ready. Lexi actually disagrees with me in my organization here, but what were you gonna say?
Okay. pieces need to be out because in box 1 didn't have all the pieces to build just that.
What? Yeah, it did.
No, it didn't. Did you see the blue tabs and the white tabs? The white tabs are from the first box, the blue tabs are from the second box, and on the pieces of the second set, we needed parts from the first box.
Do what you think is best.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Okay, regarding that last clip, we just found a piece from another box that was used for another box. So technically, you got to get everything out to build the stuff. But hear me out. You should still structure it out.
What were you gonna say?
You were right. You were right.
Yay.
And let there be light. Oh. Lexi and I have finished. Let's back up. The 2 little boxes, boom, boom, all the chairs and the table with glass. And we officially have just the big little piece that puts it all together left. My camera has died. It's pitch black outside now. I used up all my SD card, but we're finishing this. We're finishing this. So bear with me. Quick little update. Building the box. Lexi went to go get food. Garrett's helping. We lost an Allen wrench, so we're down. The dogs are wet, but we are on our last piece of patio furniture. So
I was not lost.
we're good. We're very close. Very close, but again.
Wet.
All right, so it is the next morning. Lexi and I did not finish. It was my fault. But here we are the next day, and boom, look at that. We have gotten so far. We are currently setting up the fire pit section. Yeah, look at that's just a little thing that you put the propane tank under, but here we got it out so far. Check it out. Yep. We are unboxing the big boy now. Lexi might need a hand with. All right, check it out. I just want you guys to see the magnitude of this box. Look at, that's Lexi. And this is the box. It's huge. It's so, look at how big this box is. Oh, I don't even know if we're gonna have enough room like in the middle right there for the fire pit. It's crazy. Look at all these boxes. What a mess. Moved it. Garrett got a new jacket. Look at this beast. It's bigger than the patio furniture. Do you do the honors, babe? Can you?
Nope.
No.
You need to lift it up partially.
All right, video guy, go. Team lift here.
And then I'll lift that side.
Wow. Wow, go team. Look at that beautiful concrete fire pit.
That beautiful con.
Beautiful. And this huge ass mess we have over here. Yeah. Alrighty, just finished up the glass on top. We are pretty much done here. As you can see, Garrett is breaking down all the beautiful boxes. Oh wait, I didn't say busting down the boxes. Lexi has gone in for some food because obviously this is exhausting for some reason. But yeah, there's the glass thing. I don't think it came with any like of the little lava rock things, but is what it is. All right, we have discovered that there were rocks underneath the thing. I have hooked up the propane and Lexi is gently adding the lava rocks.
Super gentle.
Gently adding the lava rocks to it. Oh man. And then we actually had to turn it around a little bit because the way that there's one little notch on the bottom of this thing right there for the hose for the propane tank. So yeah, so, look at that. I will show you what it looks like after we get these lava rocks spread out and a little bit more of it cleaned up. And look at that. Garrett's back from Chipotle. Lexi's got her little Zevia soda and we got it going. Look at how beautiful. Now I'm going to clean up, get it all set up, and we're good to go, and we'll circle back. Woo! Woohoo! Woo! Oh, wait, thumbnail! Oh! Take him out, Kilo! You just gotta...
Alright.
Garrett's done. Look at what Lexi and I did today. Look at it. Here, I'll show you the whole thing here. First of all, we have an absolute mess and 2 hooligans, but we set up some cool little patio furniture back here. Look at how cool, right? Don't look over there, but look over here. Yes, yes. So now we can chill out by the fire, have our nice Zevia sodas because we're so hip, and watch these 2 hooligans go swimming. So, pretty neato. Peace.